I might be heading down the mountain in the middle of the night, because that looks dangerous, actually. So,
ooh.
this is a bad idea to be up here right now. Oh, so beautiful up here. You know, this is actually an area that I snowmobile at in the wintertime. So it's so neat being able to experience what this is like. In about a month's time, I won't be able to drive up this road. So I'm really looking forward to being able to relax up here and hopefully get a little bit of snow tonight. We'll see. Well, I don't really like this camp spot that much. There's really no good views, and it's very, very out of level. So I'm gonna go against my better judgment and keep heading up this mountain. And the reason why I say I'm going against my better judgment is because this area is notorious for very heavy snowfalls, and we're supposed to get a snowstorm tonight. And it's starting to rain. I was really hoping to send up the drone, but I guess if it's gonna rain, not so much. Now, this part of the road right here is really as far as I can remember, it's the only part that I am genuinely concerned about in case we do get a lot of snow, because I don't want to go down that way. No, thank you. Gosh, isn't it just so beautiful up here? Oh man. I love coming up here in the wintertime, and I really like it now too. It's so beautiful in the fall. The temperature has dropped 7 degrees in the last 5 minutes. It is getting much cooler. As you can see by the trees, we have officially gone into subalpine forests. Some of my favorite forests, by the way. They're just grizzled old fir trees that for some reason I resonate with so much. Oh yeah, and by the way, it's my 40th birthday today. Maybe that's why I resonate with them. It's kind of crazy to see like the stuff that I've dropped down into before, like what you just saw or what you're seeing now. And thinking to myself, if this vehicle dropped down into that, I don't think you'd ever get it out. Look at this old tree right here. I don't think there's gonna be a fire tonight, folks. I apologize, but it's already raining. It's 41 degrees out, and snow is gonna start happening here pretty soon. I've seen that up to 10 before. And the average year is about 8 to 9 feet at that marker right there. Pretty cool, huh? Hopefully it doesn't snow too much. I'm going to have to keep a close eye on the weather and the amount of snow that dumps, and might have to make my way out of here in the middle of a snowstorm. Who knows? Because as much as I want to show you a good time and get to experience this amazing transition of seasons immediately, mind you, I just don't want to, I don't really want to put my vehicle at risk. I really want to go up there, because I bet there's a nice camp spot up there, but dropping down that as soon as it gets any more moisture on that muddy trail, that's a bad idea. So I guess I'm just gonna stick to my original plan here and continue up this road. It's kind of a close call. As you can see here, there's a tree. Hi, tree. Okay, there we go. I'm almost out. It's already starting to sleet. So yeah, snow is coming. It's gonna be here any minute. All right, looks like I have found my camp spot for the night. Hopefully I don't get in trouble parking here. I guess we'll find out real quick. Come on. Come on up. Up. Not sure if you can see it, but it appears we are in the clouds. Still waiting for that snow. It's 4:15. Come on, snow. Oh man. Of course it has to start snowing right when I'm about to go live. And I can't jump out and really film it too much, so let me just open up the door here a little bit. Sorry, I'm kind of blacked out here. Ooh! It's snowing! Oh, I can't wait. This is gonna be so much fun. Hopefully it doesn't get too crazy. So, whew. Kind of excited. Kind of, sorta. Zeda's excited too. Isn't Zeda's? Oh yes. Oh yes, yes, so excited. Yes. Oh Lord. Uh-oh. Yeah, it is it is hammering out right now. This is a bad idea to be up here right now. Oh man. I might be heading down the mountain in the middle of the night, because that looks dangerous actually. So hopefully I'll see you tomorrow and not in the middle of the night when I have to drive down the mountain. Boop. Are you ready? Are you ready for your first tracks? Huh? Yes. Come here. Oh. Hello. You're a goofers. You're goofers. Yes. I really need to do something about the lighting in this camper. One of the things that I really don't like about it, this intense, the higher temperature the lighting, the whiter the light, and this is some very white light, and it's too intense for me personally, especially in the morning. But I'm just trying to get this part of my day started right here. All right, there we go. Now the day has begun. A couple videos ago, I figured it out. I finally figured out how to make good, crispy breakfast potatoes because I love them. I think it's the best way to have breakfast potatoes is just to have that little bit of crispness to them, and they're not soggy at all. Now, I actually harvested these potatoes myself in case you didn't see my last video. I have to be quiet now. I need my camouflage. These things are really hard to catch, but I heard they're very prevalent around here, so let's see if we can't find them. There goes one right there. Oh, that was a fast one. Not gonna catch that one. All right, there's another one around here for sure. You just gotta wait for them to be treed. That's when they rely on their camouflage. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Found myself up in the woods of Idaho and went through all the appropriate channels in order to obtain a out-of-state hunting permit for these amazing free-range breakfast potatoes. I probably should have only cut up one. It seems like one is about the perfect amount. This is a lot of potatoes. All right, the anticipation with Zeda here is very high. Zeda, outside? Oh my stars. Go on, girl. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Where'd you go? Where'd my dog go? Maybe she's off to poop. Oh, man. Holy cow. We got a first ascender here. Oh, man. I was hoping I was going to get first tracks.
You are. I'm turning around right here.
Oh, okay. It's not bad, is it?
No.
Nah. I was worried all night last night. Woke up at midnight, looked out, and, well, safe travels, sir.
Yeah, really. I'm going to turn around. I won't run over Puppy. Yes,
Oh, she's right here. You're good. Well, gall darn it. We just barely missed the first tracks, girl. Well, poop. Oh, well. At least I have some tracks to follow down now. Hontitas. Oh my gosh. You're just so excited, aren't you? Ooh. You a happy girl? Yes, it's finally winter-ish. Yeah. I think it's time to get moving down the hill before even more snow comes in. And I'm stuck up here for the rest of the year, which
that'll be a bad time. You know, one thing I just found, thank God, I had an extra pair of gloves in one of my cubbies. So I'm so glad for that, because there's a pretty decent amount of snow on the roof of my truck right now that I need to get cleaned off. Dog is on maximum stoke level right now. She's like, oh my God, that's so exciting. First snow. Oh no. There is a good deal of snow on the front of my truck right now. Oh yeah. It's like one of the things that I love to do, but then mid-season comes and you just go, can I not have to deal with removing snow off of my vehicle again? You know, I'm not gonna lie, you probably can't see me right now, but there are definite downsides to having such a tall vehicle. And one of them is ease of access to the windshield. Because I am hovering on dang near 5'12". And this is as high as I can get right here. Oh, the struggle is real. It's gonna be a good day. Hopefully. Hopefully. My live stream last night, I was talking about how, you know, I just turned 40, and all these grunts and groans that I make, you know, I'm pretending, but they won't be pretending soon enough. I'm just embracing my coming of age to old age. I think that's what it is. I'm not making a mockery of anybody, except myself. I think I have the right to do that, right? Alrighty, y'all. Now it's time to play my least favorite game. And I'm sure a lot of folks that drive diesels in the wintertime know what this game is all about. It's called Will My Truck Start? Yes! Cummins! Oh my gosh. All right, we are in business. Easy part's done. Now for the hard part. You know, I am pleasantly surprised right now with the amount of traction that I'm getting, despite the fact that these tires are pretty much made out of the same material as hockey pucks are. I'm being sarcastic, but I mean, they are rock hard rubber. Let's do a little bit of a test here. I'll get up to, now that I'm on some relatively flat ground and I'm in fresh snow, I'll get up to 20 miles an hour and let's see how fast I can stop in about 4 inches of fresh snow. Oh, looks like we're going downhill now, so that doesn't help, but let's try it anyway. Right about here. Not too bad. Oh my gosh, I just love these forests. Aren't they amazing? Wow. This is what I'm used to seeing every time I come up here in the wintertime. An absolute winter wonderland, folks. Last night I didn't sleep too much because I was legitimately concerned about the drive down. This part right here is what kept me up last night, because if I went over the edge, I mean, I'd probably live, but I mean, I would say actually I'd more than likely live, but it would be the end of my YouTube career, because going down that right there, yeah, that's a bad day. That's a really bad day right there. So I wanted to film this on my drone, but I really want to just prioritize focusing on the road more than anything. And yeah, looks like I'm through it. We're good to go. Wasn't bad at all. So yeah, let's carry on. What do you think, Zedas? Pretty decent, huh? You a happy dog? Are you a happy girl? Huh? Oh, hello. Hello. You licking your chops. What are you licking your chops for, huh? What are you licking your chops for? Ooh. I hope I never grow up. I'm such a dork. I needed to clean my truck. Come on, give me a break. So I had a commenter, I think it was on one of my off-roading videos from this last summer, who scoffed when I said my truck weighed 16,000 pounds, my truck and my camper. He said something to the effect of, "Oh, yeah, 16,000 pounds, right." Well, it just so happens that there is a weigh scale up here. Alright. Now this weigh station's closed. I don't know how long it's been closed for, but the scale is still pretty dang accurate when I compared it to the last time that I weighed my truck with a certified CAT scale. Alright, so let's see here. Let's go on through the front axle first. And front axle is 6640. And then move on to the rear axle. $96.80. I guess, and on that note, I reckon it's time to end this video. So thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Bye.